Tired of manually sifting through spreadsheets for duplicates? Discover a swift Excel method to instantly identify and highlight identical entries, making your data pristine. Let's dive in. Open your Excel workbook. We'll target this column for duplicate checking. Begin by selecting the entire column you wish to analyze. A simple click on the column header does the trick. Navigate to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Locate the Styles section. Within the Styles group, find and click on Conditional Formatting. From the presented options, hover over Highlight Cells Rules. In the displayed submenu, select Duplicate Values. A small dialog box will appear. Ensure the first drop-down menu is set to Duplicate. The second drop-down allows customization of the highlight. For this example, we'll choose light red fill with dark red text. Feel free to select your preference. Click OK. Observe as all duplicate entries within your chosen column are now instantly highlighted. Say goodbye to tedious manual searches. This is invaluable for organizing lists, contact details, or any data requiring unique entries. This technique can also be applied to specific data ranges. Simply select the cells you need to check and repeat the process. Conditional formatting, then highlight cells rules, followed by duplicate values, and select your desired formatting. And just like that, your data becomes more accurate and organized. Mastering this basic Excel feature significantly enhances data management efficiency. Your future productivity will soar.